Tonight, an optimistic outlook on this Tuesday. Dr. Anthony Fauci said this week he believes the U.S. could have some return to normalcy from the pandemic by next spring.
And this is only if, could be a big if, there is a surge in vaccinations. But the uplifting forecast comes at a time when the Bay Area has some pretty good news of its own. KRON 4's Dan Kerman is live in San Francisco with that. Dan?
Well, there's some indication that these surges that we've been seeing in the Bay Area, that fourth surge, could be starting to level off. This on top of the news you mentioned from Dr. Fauci.
Our fate is in our own hand.
A glimmer of hope from White House Chief Medical Advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci about when the U.S. could get COVID-19 under control.
We can get through this winter and get really the majority, overwhelming majority of the 90 million people who have not been vaccinated. I hope we could start to get some good control in the spring of 2022.
Here in the Bay Area, already some positive news that this fourth surge might be close to over.
That surge that we experienced through July is beginning to abate.
Marin County Health Officer Dr. Matt Willis says it's not just happening in Marin County.
Among the 58 counties across the state, those that have the highest vaccination rates are, in fact, seeing the earliest signs of a plateau.
Willis says there still remains a high rate of transmission, which is why other safeguards must continue.
Vaccines alone are not going to solve this. We need to complement our vaccine strategy with other everyday behaviors that we know are protective. Facial covering, being sensible about not coming to work when we're sick, physical distancing where we can manage that, moving things outdoors rather than indoors. Those are all still critical elements of controlling transmission.
Infectious disease experts agree and say if this, in fact, is the end of the fourth surge, certain behavioral changes must take place this time around if we're to have long-lasting success.
Every time throughout the pandemic that there's been a surge, we've stopped it, it's come back down, but then we've opened up too quickly again and relaxed our guard too quickly. And so we've left ourselves at a higher plateau, and then we build on that plateau. So we keep building and building and building up the numbers. But you know, we don't have to do it that way.
And that, of course, then brings us back to what Dr. Fauci had said, where it is all up to us and how things go over the next several months between now and the spring. Live in San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.